This is lead meteorologist David Cox with your National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi for your weekly weather briefing for March 7th, 2024. Highlights for this briefing will be concerning severe storms and flash flooding possible Friday afternoon into Friday night. Cool and dry conditions returning into the weekend with a gradual warming trend into next week and the expected rain chances late next week. The storm system is expected Friday afternoon into early Saturday morning. Severe thunderstorms that develop will be capable of producing damaging wind gusts, hail, and tornadoes. Right now, the main timing and concern is between noon Friday through overnight Saturday. We will have to monitor for any earlier morning storms that develop with more coverage earlier in the afternoon. That could limit some of the concerns further to the south. At least the southern half of the outlook area. With less coverage, there could be more widespread activity across the entire region. Heavy rainfall is also expected Friday into Friday night, with some areas having potential for 3 to 5 inches of rain. This could result in localized flash flooding and minor river flooding for portions of the forecast area. Here's the rain totals expected across the region. 1 to 3 inches is expected across the area with storms on Friday, with main focus northwest of the Natchez Trace and also to the southeast, with the highest totals in the northwest Arklamas Delta. Rain will fall quickly and in short periods of time. So as mentioned before, localized flash flooding is possible. If earlier morning storms do develop across further to the south and more increasing coverage, some of those rain totals and axis could be shifted a little bit further to the southeast, closer to the Natchez Trace corridor. A warm front will move across southern parts of the area into Friday evening, which will be the focus for those severe storms. So we'll definitely have to watch. That's where the best overlap of moisture and support for severe weather will definitely be, at least the southern half of the area. Here's a snapshot of the rain and storm chances for the weekend. To the northwest, rain chances and rain and storm chances will become earlier in the morning to midday, with further to the east and south later and persisting into the evening to overnight hours. Here's a snapshot of the forecast for the next week. Cool and dry conditions in the wake with a gradual warming trend into mid to late next week, and rain chances will not come until later into next week. With the temperatures falling potentially into the mid to upper 30s, we are getting into the growing season and vegetation beginning to green, so there will be some concerns for some agricultural frost freeze. So for any sensitive vegetation, definitely need to have preparations and just in case temperatures are cool enough for frost or light freeze. So in summary, severe storms and flash flooding are possible Friday afternoon to Friday night, and cool and dry conditions return into the weekend with a gradual warming trend throughout next week, and rain chances don't return after this system until late next week. So thanks for viewing this weather briefing. These are usually conducted on Thursdays. If you have any feedback or suggestions, please contact us at the number provided or on social media. Thank you.